squishy experiment number 2. Sorry. This is like the worst video I ever made. Seriously. Like, seriously? Like, that's just stupid right now. Okay, so. I think I need 4 of these. Okay, wait. Yes, I know this is like the most dangerous thing to do to your camera, but I'm trying to test this out. So this is squishy experiment number 2. Okay, 2 right here. Okay, let's get started. I think this is number 2. I think I posted number 1 on my let me just show you the squishies. Okay. So the first squishy is this mini panda bun, and it's so squishy. And yes, I painted my nails. You can actually really see it because it matches my skin color a little bit. But yeah, this is really cute. And I covered this with band-aids because I do not know where I put my face. Yep. Next squishy I have is this squishy mini donut. And it's so cute. It looks like spaghetti donut. Spaghetti-etti-o. Whatever I said. So it's super like defected. Because I squished this a lot. Like seriously, I squished all my new squishies to the grave. This is so squishy. I have this luscious bun. And this is right now my most comfortable to squishy. So yep, it's really soft. I just love squishing this, so yep, squish this. Next I had this rare Hello Kitty donut. And this is rare to me, I'm not sure. But if it's not rare, comment down below. And please don't hate this video because I just said that. Just kind of stupid to me, but I think this is rare because they made a fake one of these, so I think sorry, is the one or the person who made that squishy. I think your background noise. Okay, it's just me bothering. So if they make a fake squishy, I think the real squishy is rare. And also, I never saw one of the fake Hello Kitty donut species in one video. So, yeah. And just to say, I'm totally a blind freak, and I love to watch squishy packages, and I never see a Hello Kitty package with a fake Hello Kitty donut. But, yep, I have this part all explaining. And yes, it has the cute little lessons down there, which is weird. So it has a camera on the neck. So, and the cute tag is all bent up. Yep, that's nice to have. Okay, next squishy, the last squishy I meant, is this curatory one. It's so squishy. Oh my god. Okay. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. So you can see my hand here. So right here is the part where the squishy never changes its squishiness, and right here is the squishy that did change. So yeah, I'm following what Kawaii Cats did. She's one of my subscribers. So giving a shout out to you and all my subscribers, like It's Juice, like 7 Super Girls, all those other people. Seriously, they're like the coolest people. So yeah, let me put all these squishies into the freezer. Come with me. Okay. Sorry. So, I'm putting all the squishies in the freezer. So let's just go. Okay, so here is my freezer. Everything. So this squishies in. Putting that up there. Putting all my squishies up there. All the squishies up there. Wait. I don't think you can see that. Wait, that's up there. Let me show you. Up there. You see that? Yeah, I'm putting that up there. So, and I put my pineapple in packaging. I'm putting my squishies in the freezer. What do you think I'm doing? So I'm putting some on there. So that's one's a donut for you. There. So add up all my squishies. So yeah, let's just wait. So this is what I'm doing when I'm bored. Sorry.
Who come together and use an ancient code to summon the demon Sorag. Wait, so if Emma is the doorkeeper, then that means she's possessed. We've got to find her. And most importantly, we must keep her from meeting the code master, whoever it is.
And also, whoever is going to trick or treat. Sorry, this is like a cool part.
And we are indeed children.
So comment down below what you're gonna be for Halloween, and yeah. And also, I'm gonna be doing a part 2 of this because it's taking too long. So yeah, I'll see you in part 2. Bye. Oh, sorry.